tumateka ro kuligereri a sheet yes school for example ngakiora nyaka bako break down go chese bible go cha inkeminete go cha ese beyond dite chichiko toke se break down yali go chaka mpaka muino go se next go sensed kali muino
okay mbia mono asukumbuli swali elio na yande elio nataka bible abange bamanye ebikira die binda abana ababiri bamanyete
bakali a b c d
e b plus what iyo wanajua asana tukonya changamoto ababiri abange babugate ekerote ebiringa omwana ogutuma maybe ogutuma se poto ya neck kwanyora p ono p omuntu sinyunga ki omwana one watabuka
p gotari b ya nze b police
police.
Nera gato machando B no me B plus
P. Eminenti pending. Inki pending eminenti. Eko na beko nyare kana liba en register. At the registration point, umwana maybe akadete birth certificate. Itari go tally with the
neri etalia
etalia real na dere jesu ko nyoro certificate jibate namba gete chire njagete iga na wanyoro bali ban register maybe at the end of the day there is a number or one of the letter ama the certificate some parents they cannot be very serious of course akola the certificate tali the real certificate you must to the student so you na bekoleta mangana yoko taba pendi
because wana mali tangu chale ko bachana go
exactly another thing kia pending kiende korengere kirororo kiringa maybe subjects omwana oyo achorete nchiriko come out very clear the neckboard are you getting it? So it is a principle abayibuli aba bagenda say principle so omwana agenda say principle a principle is just to make a call am I the problem? And the error will be corrected. Akini mono. It is about the birth certificate. Your mwana ekanyada to tatanish. That's why I'm going to hear Bible this time. Ko what the woman at the certificate. Bring a certificate area
original.
To shortcut. Sometimes you screenshot.
Wanyo gatete gosinaga kwende
wanyoranga at the end of the day
gosoga photocopy kabugatu
exactly so those are some of the things okay ntobugate w those are the two things nanyo tabayirwanya confusion w it means withheld
amata mwana so gatara kine na bugatire
njiragete nga maybe there is some suspicion investigations are on not that you cheated but again there is a likelihood you cheated you cheated there's some question marks and mabonaro bache to the ground basateini bamanyo ngakikere with then eran kutwariro bwoba as a school lakini pending yawe uri banyo tagusia abana bange sana even my school I had pending cases I want to ask you it is just simple mo baso kutwara bwoba amatemo ya bana nacha kariki nacha lakini school yananje nanya ta withheld na bore nanya ta pending na moto kunyo ta baba yo babwate mechando batanga ku pending
kwa kubwatinga
ayo mechando ko moibo ya manga kitaga ndenga wa ngibone ketata te hachigire cha pinchiro
nanyina bona kumenga pi bana nyiro bona watabire gore ya pending watabire gore ya w iywere with l
x
bona tofauti ero ya pending with l na y why ero na ero bona monta ko igwa kure kare kure nga why ko igwa soka ne pale round about wote ne gali kure kabisa banda bache ko konya nga why achira why
good mna natika kukwana na jagera pending and the w there is what we call x x it means omwana utakarta matemo maybe one of exam
itakorite ko temo como gosons
another thing I say why a year they have ascertained nga omwana oyo aibirete
ikono kubolu kana asiki ko ibirete bwa
yes why it means igon ko ibirete igo there are some grounds yo ko ibira
so